How to buy ERC-69 token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, they have 518 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 day ago and it increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token is trending #1 in the Ethereum section on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your BITGET wallet for that. Now, as you can see, now go to your wallet and now from the top right corner, click here and select the Ethereum network. Now, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar here. And as you can see, this is our token. Now, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, go back to your wallet and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called ERC-69. Now click on it and now click here on swap, switch from here. Now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and now you can type here how much you want to buy, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy ERC-69 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.